www.healthcmi.com. Today, Acupuncture and Herbs Soothe Acid Reflux, published June 16, 2019 from Health CMI. Acupuncture and herbal medicine are effective for the alleviation of GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease, also known as acid reflux. So this article at healthcmi.com, if you click on news, you can go there and take a look, gives you the details, exact clinical details on the acupuncture and herbs used to fight GERD. In other words, the acid reflux that can cause that burning and terrible digestive problems and terrible burning, heartburn, pain. One of the studies had an important finding. For those taking proton pump inhibitor medications, they had some results, but when you added acupuncture and herbs into the medical regime, the results were dramatically better. In fact, it jumped from 68% with drugs only to a 95% total effective rate when you add acupuncture and herbs. So take a look at the article. I think you'll find it very interesting. What's nice about this article is that it gives practitioners an exact outline of some of the herbal formulas that are very successful and some of the acupuncture points that are very successful and the time frame in which people can expect excellent results. This is something that's very important. Now, acupuncture as a monotherapy and herbal medicine as a monotherapy are also shown to be effective. So this is important because proton pump inhibitor medications are really only meant to be taken between 1 and 3 months. Anything over that can cause gastric cell atrophy and a host of problems. Previously, it was thought it could even cause cancer. That is more of a nebulous medical idea right now, but we do know long-term use of proton pump inhibitors is contraindicated and is something to avoid. So this is more of a long-term solution for curing the problem with acupuncture and herbs. Now, granted, practitioners aren't going to get very far if people are attached to things like hot barbecue sauce and char-grilled stuff, but if a diet is relatively normal with some restraint, and acupuncture and herbs are used, it is realistic to expect that the condition can be completely resolved using acupuncture and herbal medicine. So go to healthcmi.com, take a look at this article that was published on June 16, 2019. I think you can take a look and you'll like what you see. Take care now. www.healthcmi.com.